Welcome guys. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove back cover of the phone. Keep finger on fingerprint scanner and pull out the back or remove tape from around the fingerprint scanner. Remove all the screw from ringer buzzer. Remove ringer buzzer. Disconnect antenna wire. Disconnect both subflex connectors. Remove charging subboard. This is hands-free port. This is charging port. This is ringer connection point. Install charging port subboard. Connect both subflex connectors. Connect antenna wire. Install ringer buzzer. Put back all the screw on ringer buzzer. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.